Welcome back. Continuing the news. Well, CVM Television remains committed to meeting the needs of you, our loyal viewers, and as part of our corporate responsibility. In fact, a team is still in St. James at this very hour during what we have dubbed Jamaica Rebuilds Outreach and Public Viewing, following our visit to another Western parish, Westmoreland. Kerlyn Brown takes you through one segment of that hands-on post-hurricane assignment.
Nearly a month after Hurricane Melissa threw the warmth and rhythm of a people off key, a bullseye approach to restoring and reconnecting the island from Morant Point to Negril was fully awake. To see it happen close up, though, a CVM team led by CEO Ollie McIntosh, along with our partners, went to Westmoreland on one of our Jamaica Rebuilds Outreach and Public Viewing trips. Now, the primary objective, to provide immediate disaster response, infrastructural support and humanitarian relief to two severely impacted education institutions, Sir Clifford Campbell Primary and the Manning School.
You're going to need some beams.
We're work in progress. This is how we have to look at it. I want you to understand that I've been here since 1995.
Right.
This is the first I've had something like this. This is big. We would have a past student come and send us 2 barrels, but for a big enterprise, a big company like CVM coming into Sir Clifford, it's a first. This is history in the making.
Although music to the air, this opportunity to continue paving the future for our children was humbling. The school, which was one of the shelters in the parish, housing 22 people with a safe place of abode temporarily, was itself battered.
Melissa did to us what she did to most of our school family. Now, every building on the school compound was impacted. The canteen, the classrooms, and our newest roof up there, she took it off and put it on another roof, damaging that roof as well. The Canadian model that is there, it's also damaged. My office is underwater today. We are cleaning it out so we can start putting back things together. The children's bathroom, that was the first thing to go off, as my groundsman called to say, Miss Hamilton, the children's bathroom, the roof is in front of Mrs. Ruddock's class.
Speaking of the students, many more wanted to join in the cleanup exercise, but their families were like nomads on the move, concerned, though, like the staff, about this unscheduled break.
The longer the children stay home, the greater the impact on their learning. And we have to ensure that our children rise, so it's best if we get them here for a few hours and send them back. That's what we intend to do. The building officer from the region came and did his assessment. We have some friends from Poland. Our chairman is from Poland, so we have a little group with a school, and they have sent a donation to us. But that's what we've had so far. On Friday, Ministry of National Security, they came here and they did a distribution of packages to the parents, and they also put that tarp on that classroom there. So far that's what we have.
Close to 2,000 warm meals were served along with water and other baked products on the day. Meanwhile, our teams alongside MAC Squad Security got hands-on, removing damaged zinc sheets, dislodged steel beams and hazardous materials. The school's main office was covered with tarpaulin, with a commitment to help further with the recovery exercise. The projects are many, big and small. The journey to cover the lanes and the communities will take time, and the requirements may eventually get out of reach for many volunteers. But your trusted source for information and security remain constant.
We saw the damage that Hurricane Melissa did, and we're just doing our part in terms of contribution, in terms of security, in terms of care packages. In any way that we can give back, we want to do it. And CVM, we want to make sure that we partner with the best, so we chose CVM.
Kerlyn Brown, CVM News.